What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in my previous video, I already show you that how you can run Kali Linux operating system as a virtual machine in VirtualBox on Windows 11 operating system. And in this video, I'm going to show you the basic things you need to do after installing Kali Linux as a virtual machine on your computer. So guys, right now you can see I'm in Kali Linux operating system, and I'm running this Kali Linux as a virtual machine in our Windows 11 operating system using the VirtualBox. Now, if you import the pre-built Kali Linux virtual machine image in your VirtualBox, then there is something you need to set it up before you start using it. So let me guide you what you need to change and how you need to do that. First of all, by default, Kali Linux login comes with the default credentials Kali and Kali. So you need to create a user account in your Kali Linux virtual machine and delete the default Kali Linux account. So for this, open up your terminal. Let me zoom in a little bit. Then type here sudo add user, then type your username, then press enter. Then type your Kali password, which is Kali. Then you need to set a password for your new user account. Then retype it. Then type the full name if you want, or you can just press enter to skip all of this option. Then you have to add that user to sudo group, unless you will not be able to perform the sudo command or sudo operation in your Kali Linux machine. So type here sudo usermod -ag, then type a sudo and then type the username. Then press enter. And now this Mehdi Shakil user will get into sudo group. Now you have to log out from this Kali Linux default user account and log in to your new user account. So I'm going to click here, then click on log out. And now you have to log in with the new user account. Here I'm going to type my username, Mehdi Shakil, then type my password. So guys, right now you can see I'm logged in to my new user account. Now let's increase the display size and the icon size. For this, I'm going to click on Kali Linux logo and search for high DPI. Then click on it and it's going to switch to scale mode. Click on yes. And now again open up terminal. Then first of all, the first thing you need to do on your user account, you have to delete the Kali Linux default user account. So type here sudo del user, then type the username Kali and press enter. Then type your root password, then press enter. If you see this type of error, type this command sudo kill, then type this process ID number, in my case 1140, then press enter. Then again run the previous command sudo del user, the username, then press enter, and it should delete the Kali Linux default user account. Then what you need to do, you have to make an update and upgrade to your Kali Linux packages. So type here sudo apt-y update and press enter. It's gonna update all of your current packages on your Kali Linux machine. Okay, after updating the packages, you have to run the upgrade command to upgrade all the upgradable packages. So type here sudo apt-y upgrade. So now our Kali Linux virtual machine packages are getting upgraded. While these Kali Linux packages get upgrading, let's work on network settings. By default, whenever you run Kali Linux as a virtual machine, it will automatically get an IP address from your router DHCP server. And whenever you restart your Kali Linux machine, it may possible that your IP address gets changed. So that's why I would recommend to set a static IP address for your Kali Linux virtual machine. For this, click on this terminal emulator or open up the terminal. And here I'm going to type if config. And guys, here you can see by default, the IP address of our Kali Linux machine is 192.168.0.188. So I'm going to copy this IP address and set it this IP address, this same IP address as a static IP address in our Kali Linux machine. For this, click on this network icon, then click on edit connection. Then click on wired connection, click on settings. Then go to IPv4 setting. From automatic, select it manual. Click on add. Give the IP address here. Then type the network mask 255.255.255.0. Then type the default gateway of a router, in my case 192.168.0.1. Then click on save. And now this IP address has been statically set to our Kali Linux virtual machine. So guys, this is the top 3 things I will recommend if you use Kali Linux as a virtual machine in VirtualBox. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.